In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of TOEIC reading. TOEIC reading continues on from the listening section. Let's take a look at each part. Number 5, incomplete sentences. Let's read the instructions. It says, a word or phrase is missing in the sentence below. Choose the correct word or phrase. So here is the sentence. Let's focus on this text. After you have focused on the text, you need to focus on the gap. What word might fit this gap, do you think? Of course, you do get answer options to choose from. Is it since, due to, though, or despite? Only one of these will correctly complete the sentence. Number 6, text completion. Let's read the instructions. It says, read the text. A word, phrase, or sentence is missing in parts of the text. Choose the best answer to complete the text. So here is the text here. Let's focus on the gaps. What words might fit in these gaps? Similarly, you will have 4 answer options to choose from. Notice that these are all the same word type, organized, but they are in different forms. You need to choose the one that correctly completes the sentence. After you've gone through and you've completed each of the gaps, make sure you do a quick read through to make sure it makes sense. Number 7, reading comprehension, single text. Let's read the instructions. Read the text, choose the correct answer to the question. So here's the text. We need to read this very carefully. Here's the question. Who did the author dine with last year, for example? Then you will have 4 answer options to choose from. The answer will obviously come from the text. We simply choose the correct answer based on the text. Number 7, reading comprehension, multiple texts. So this is the same, but this time we're going to have to read 2 texts. So we'll see one text, then we're going to see another text. Then you will see the question and the answer options. You need to focus on the answer options. You will either find the correct answer in the first text, or if you don't find it in the first text, then you'll find it in the second text. Now, the answer options might not be exactly word for word from the text. Sometimes they'll use synonyms or paraphrases or different ways to say the same thing, okay? But it's all about meaning. Cool. If you need more help with your TOEIC reading, click the link in the description below, go across to E2 Test Prep and do some good TOEIC preparation.